What's up, everyone? Today we are doing the ultimate mic test review. A few things to note about this test is that I am going to have my visor open for all the mic tests. Just something to note when you're trying to listen to my voice. Currently just riding around the block, getting the scooter warmed up for the test. So this is the Bluetooth headset mic with wind reduction set to auto and my visor open, as I mentioned. I'm just going to leave the I'm going to do all my tests with wind reduction on auto, since that will just give me the best results for when I'm taking the camera on or off the helmet. This test is going to be the media mod with the windsock on and the mic set on front and back. And this is the media mod with the mic set on front and back with the windsock off. This is the media mod with the microphone set to front and the windsock off. So this is the media mod with the microphone set to back with the windsock off. This is the mic set to camera mic through the media mod, which shouldn't make much of a difference. It's just a little thin piece of plastic in front of it. This is the media mod with the microphone on front with the windsock on. This is the media mod with the windsock on and the camera set to rear.
So I'm going to do an extra lap with this one. My previous testing, this is the best setting. I'm just going to get a little bit of extra recording in on this one. And obviously if you turn your head sideways like that, I think the audio is going to get really bad no matter what. So I think there should be a little extra noise there. And I didn't do that with all the tests, but I think it's just going to be bad on all the tests no matter what. So yeah, now I'm going to go inside and see what audio turned out the best. I think it'll be the media mod with the mic just on the back with the windsock, but I guess we'll see. Alright, so after reviewing the footage, I think the rear mic on the media mod with the wind muff on turned out the best, and I was thinking initially about adding a high pass filter, showing the final product of what the audio would look like after some post-production work, but I honestly don't think I need to do any of that. The audio turned out really clear and crisp, and you could hear my voice, I would say, rather well without any work. So the winner is definitely the media mod with the rear mic and the wind muff on. I'm honestly really impressed with this product, and I'll be using it for all my audio and my videos going forward. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.